Tình yêu cùng từ tuổi năm khai giờ luôn sao vừa lại rễ Sila masang riêu khai lô Rang khai tiêu kiêu khai lô Ôi nhằm đi kiêu lao Đâu im biểu ra kê mang mê In vô kun chiêu riêu kiêu khai lao Alima chiêu kê mang mê Kinh riêu cùng chiêu trai đam khai
And I thought it would be a long time till we got married. But then one day, I was riding with him in his vehicle, and he told me that he thinks he's gonna start dating. And I couldn't believe it. I was like so shocked I almost passed out. And then he told me who it was, and then I didn't know what to do because I didn't know how to be more shocked than I was before. And then after the fourth team became a lot less simple very quickly. Tim, when I think about Tim, the thing I think about first is loyalty. And Tim is a very loyal person. I've known Tim since we were very young, and he's been a huge part of my life through ups and downs and through hard things, and he always remained very loyal and walked with me when I needed someone to walk with me through things. And when I think about Kamkam, the first thing that comes to my mind is compassion. She has an incredible compassion. I was with her in Thailand, and I got to be on a ministry night with her where we would go out and do street evangelism. And when I listened to Kamkam pray, there was this incredible compassion that poured out from her to the people that she was coming in contact with. And
here it was Timothy. He broke a glass jar just to see how fast he could get his dad out of bed. This thought made me think there was an improvement. But he did get me out of bed real fast. So I want to say to Tim and Wingham, I want to bless you, and I hope you have a good, happy marriage. For myself, marriage was one of the best things in my life, and I hope it can be that way in yours. And I pray that all of you will pray for Tim and Brigham, that they can have a marriage that lasts for the rest of their lives. And, thank you all for coming. Thank you all for your prayers.
Sorry, I spoke in my own language. I hope you understood. You consider not I just say marriage is nothing but it's a time of joy, celebration. So I welcome all my friends, relatives, neighbors who come from far here to share the joy with us. To have and to enjoy the food which the joint family have provided. Yeah. Jadi kan sebenarnya Iwan bilang curi sama tadi itu. Thank you.
吧？不毛就是小管，
就是排行榜。
不是，那比这回是那。
这是我们这个不当的。